So my daughter is 3 years old. She loves to make puzzles. So we had to get a pack from Amazon. I'm going to unbox it and show it to you how it looks, and then I'm going to let my daughter make it. So yeah, let me open it and show it to you. Okay, so you can see I've removed the puzzle set here. You can see it's a set of puzzles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 puzzles in total. It's not difficult at all. It's like really big pieces. So my daughter, I think my daughter can even make this when she was 2 years old. So it's like very good puzzle to start with. It has lot of details and what is very easy to make and very good learning start for kids. So let me start with this one first. With which one do you want to start with?
Flower.
Okay, let's do the flower one. Okay, sunflower. Okay, let me open it. You can see it's very nicely packed, and there is a photo at the back so that kids can know what to make essentially if they are really young and they need help. My daughter does not need the help, so we are just going to start with the puzzle pieces. She does not need the photo. So
No, I don't need the photo.
yeah, I know
Why
you
you
don't.
need photo?
Yeah, I know you don't need the photo.
Why we need photo?
Yeah, okay. Come on, let's start. Come on, let's start.
Let's photo.
Sure.
This is not difficult for that.
Yeah.
Right? I'm not fixing it. I'm just trying to fix, but it's sunflower. Yeah.
Good job. Very good. Come on, you can do it. Do not stop. Try everywhere. Good job.
This one needs come. No.
Not
it's
matching.
Not matching.
Yeah.
Just come here. Then this.
So she's 3 years old, and you can see how she figured out it quickly. And it's the first time, and it's abstract art, so it's a little bit difficult, right? Comparatively, it looked easy, but the way it's cut, they all look similar. So yes, notice how she was having trouble connecting both of them together, so she separated it. And you can see how kids can learn to solve these different kind of problems. Like in this case, if you cannot fit the whole thing, connect the whole thing, you can remove it and then connect it one by one. A lot of times when you are stuck on something, you can use these techniques. It's really fast. Okay, which one do you want to do next?
Turtle.
Okay, let's do the turtle one. Okay. Now after that, which one do you want to do?
This house.
Okay, Papa will keep it open for you. Okay.
Okay.
A smart girl does not. You can see how fast that was. So yeah, she's able to make this thing. Yes, this is easy. So we can add an item, right, like this big turtle, right? So she was able to focus and fix it quickly. Now next one is also helpful because it's like a house.
This is a photo.
Yes.
I
I want you to notice, right? This one has 9 pieces, 1, 2, 3. But this one actually has a lot more pieces. So some puzzles, so the 1, 2 that we saw already were 9 pieces. This one on the other hand is 12 pieces. So much bigger.
bigger.
Not bigger, but I would say more pieces. So it's like more work for the kids, right? It takes a little bit more time. So yeah. Okay, this is very nice for even for seniors and other people to use, and they can remember this and build this thing and keep their memory sharp and so on, right? So you saw the 2 of them which were like 9 pieces. This one is 12 piece. These other 2 are also, this is 12 piece and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 12 piece and this one is again 9 piece. So 9 pieces are quick and easy to make.
This is nice. This is not easy. This is difficult.
Okay, so she said this is difficult, but yes, it's more pieces, right? Comparatively,
No, this is not matching.
yes.
This is the matching one. This is the matching.
Good job.
I got it.
Yeah.
No, this is not matching. But this is matching. Look, flowers. Like the flowers, big flowers.
Good job.
Now this goes here. Asal check. Atau beli konsep untuk video saya mana mati. मैं फोटो बड़ा भी सकूँ. Because fantu नस्के केटी fantu. Pata dul papa.
काही नाही. तू ready था. Okay. Very good. Come on.
And I could go here. But here. But look this. This will go here. And this will go here.
Good job. You can see she made the house with the path and everything. This one was 12 pieces and now once again I will look at 9 pieces. Come on.
This is not.
Yeah.
This is easy.
Okay, let's start then. Let's start quickly. This is a hot air balloon, okay?
Okay.
So yeah.
Now,
Okay, see.
what is this? This is colorful balloon, like rainbow.
Yes.
And this is biggest balloon, big balloon.
Yes. Come on. Fast. Good job.
And that will come out here. This not going now.
Very good job. Jigsaw, what is this?
Hot balloon.
Hot air balloon.
Hot air balloon.
Yeah. You made 4, now only 2 remaining.
Oh, he's bound. So this will go out here. This is not the magic.
Good job.
Okay, the last one now.
Next, lucky one. What? That's not the magic, I think. Huh. Goodness. 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 Give me the gun. Goodness. No. This is not correct. This is fast. What is here? I found this. What I found this? What I put this? What is this?
Good job. All 6 done. What is this?
Deer.
Baby of deer. What is it called?
Fur.
Fawn. Yeah. Okay, so you can see basically these are the 6 pieces that they are all here. My daughter basically made all of them. But they can basically very good for all ages actually. You can also make a competition, right? So it's good for old people, young people, with adults. You can play with your friends, and really nice and abstract and very colorful. And like once the picture is made, it looks beautiful. You can see all of them how they look, and they also have added photos just in case if they're young kids or somebody who needs help, they can use this as a reference. So yeah, very helpful and very beautiful and colorful. Okay, with this say bye bye.
Yeah,
हाँ पहले bye bye, thank you.
Bye bye.